Hello students, I am Dr. Meenakshi Maur, Assistant Professor, Zoology, Sri Savliaji Government College, Manfia, Chittorgarh. Today my topic is Geological Time Scale. What is geological time scale? It is the tabulated form showing the sequence and duration of the eras and the period with their dominant form of life since the beginning of life on the earth. It is estimated that the age of our Earth is about 4,500 to 4,700 million years, and first life originated in the water bodies about 3,800 to 4,200 million years ago. So, geological time scale is a system of chronological measurement that describes the timing and relationships between events that have occurred throughout Earth's history. Or we can say it is record of the life forms and geological events in the Earth's history. Scientists developed the time scale by studying rock layers and fossils worldwide. And there is also one more method, that is a radioactive dating. It also helped determine the absolute division in the time scale. Geological time scale has four major divisions of time, that is eons, eras, periods, and epochs. Eons are the largest. Eons are the largest division, and which is followed by era. Then era is followed by the period, and epoch is present in the Cenozoic era. So it is the smallest division of the four. So these are the uh, divisions of time. Eons are the largest interval of geological time scale, and it is from hundred to thousands of millions of years. Then era, this is era, Cenozoic, Mesozoic, Paleozoic, these are the eras. They are a long division of geological time scale. They are from tens of millions of years, and they begin and end are recognized by major changes in the layers of rocks and fossils in the earth. Then these are the periods. They are one of the several subdivision of geological time scale, and they enable cross-referencing of rocks and geological events from place to place. Then epoch. It is subdivision of period, and they are shorter than the period. Now eons. So if we see this geological time scale, there are eons: Phanerozoic, Proterozoic, Archean or Hadean. We always read geological time scale from below. So first is Hadean, then Archean, then Proterozoic, and then Phanerozoic. So Hadean uh, are the these are the eons of Hadean, Archean, and Proterozoic are the eons of Precambrian time. Hadean, it begins with the formation of Earth, and it is about 4.6 million years ago, and they ended 4 billion years ago. And it is said that there must be a first appearance of plate tectonics. Then Archean eon, they lasted from 2500 million years ago to 4600 million years ago. And in this eon, earliest plant like marine algae developed. And in this eon, first bacteria came into existence. That is about 3,800 million years ago. And oldest known rock were also formed in this eon in uh, 3,500 million years ago. Then Proterozoic era. It began from 540 million years ago to 2,500 million years ago. And marine invertebrates were probably common in this eon, and few were with shells as well. And one of the important events like glaciation occurred in this eon. So these three eons together form the Precambrian time because they came before the Cambrian period. Then Phanerozoic, it began from 540 million years ago and it is still continuing today. And it is divided into three eras: Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. So, this is Paleozoic, this is Mesozoic, and this is Cenozoic. So, first is Paleozoic. It lasts from 570 million years ago to 245 million years ago. So here these are the periods of Paleozoic: Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and the Permian. All at the end of the Paleozoic, means here. At the end of this Permian period, or we can say at the end of the Paleozoic, there was a large mass extinction in the history. It wiped out approximately 90% of all marine animal species and 70% of land animals. I will discuss it later. So, Cambrian. Cambrian, in this period, there were trilobites which are dominant, and in this period, first fungi appeared. Then Ordovician, Silurian extinction event occurred. First vertebrates appear in Ordovician period. Then Silurian, first land plants appeared in this period. First jawed fish appear. First jawed fish. Then first insect also appeared in Silurian period. Then Devonian, late Devonian extinction event occurred, but first amphibian appear, then first land animal appeared. Then late Devonian means there was an extinction event. Extinction means mass extinction means death of many animals. Then Carboniferous, first large cartilaginous fishes appear in this period. First reptile appeared. Then Permian, Pangea formation. It started. The Pangea formation is started. So this is the Paleozoic period. Here you can see Permian Triassic extinction event occurred. And the possible causes of this mass extinction event was maybe lowering of sea level. Then the continent were rejoined as a Pangea because Pangea started formation started. Increasing volcanic activity, climate change. And one more thing, this Cambrian period is known as the age of trilobites because in this period trilobites were dominant. So this is about Paleozoic. Then Mesozoic. At this beginning of this era, the continents were joined as a Pangea. Reptiles are dominant. First of all, this this was from 245 million years ago to 65.5 million years ago. And this Mesozoic era is known as the age of reptiles. In this Mesozoic era, Pangea broke up around the middle of this era, and reptiles became the most abundant animal because of their ability to adapt to drier climate of the Mesozoic era. So there are three periods of Mesozoic: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Triassic reptiles are dominant. Rise of first dinosaur and egg-laying mammals. First mammal appear, egg-laying mammals. Then Jurassic, dinosaurs are dominant here. Pangea is split into Laurasia and Gondwana, and rise of toothed birds, and dinosaurs become large. Dinosaurs are dominant in this period. Jurassic is known as a period of cycads. Then Cretaceous. In this period, flowering plants appeared. Earth looks closer to the present day. Extinction of giant reptiles and toothed birds. But rise of first modern birds and rise of monocot angiosperm plants. So this is about Mesozoic. Then Cenozoic. It is from 65.5 million years ago and till today, up to till today. So there are two periods, tertiary and quaternary. Tertiary, again divided into this epoch: Paleocene, Eocene, Oligocene, Miocene, and Pliocene. So Paleocene epoch, in this epoch, first large mammal appeared. Eocene, Oligocene, extinction event occurred. Then in Oligocene, mammals are dominant. Rise of first monkey and apes. Then Miocene, mammals at peak. First mammal like apes were formed. Then Pliocene, emergence of man, hominids, human ancestors appeared in this epoch. This Pliocene is also known as epoch of mammals. Then Quaternary, and this is the recent one. It is again divided into two, Pleistocene and Holocene. Earliest human appear. Extinction of great mammals, primitive men were common, and this is Ice Age begins in this epoch. Then Holocene, Ice Age ends in this epoch. Human are dominant, modern man, mammals, birds, fishes, insects are dominant, and it is the recent one. So, Holocene is the recent epoch. Today we are in the Holocene epoch of the Quaternary period of the Cenozoic era. So this is about geological time scale. Again, Paleozoic is started. It began 570 million years ago to 245 million years ago. Mesozoic, it began about 245 million years ago and continued to 65.5 million years ago. Then Cenozoic, it began about 65.5 million years ago and continues today. And this era, Cenozoic era, is known as Age of Mammals. And today we are in the Holocene epoch of Quaternary period of the Cenozoic era. Mesozoic is known as Age of Reptiles. So this is about geological time scale. First of all, I explain what is geological time scale. Then it has four division, major division: eons, eras, periods, and epochs. Then eons, Proterozoic, Archean, Hadean, which form three eons of Precambrian time, and then Phanerozoic eon. First is Hadean, then Archean, then Proterozoic, and then Phanerozoic. Phanerozoic again divided into three era: Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. In Paleozoic, these are the periods: Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, or Permian. Cambrian is uh, is known as the uh, period of trilobites, and Devonian is known as the age of fishes and algae, and Carboniferous is known as the age of amphibians. Then Mesozoic, it is divided into three periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. And this is the Mesozoic era is known as the age of reptiles. Then Cenozoic is divided into two periods: Tertiary and Quaternary. And Holocene, in Holocene, modern man, mammals, birds, fishes, and insects are dominant. And Cenozoic era is known as the age of mammals. So this is geological time scale. Thank you.